Namaskar. Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students, scholars, listeners, learners, friends, colleagues, officials and professionals, and the most respected and honorable Prime Minister, Minister, doctors throughout the world, from science, spirituality, religion, engineering, commerce and arts. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all cordially, heartily. Your presence is praiseworthy, really appreciable. You are listening the word of science and spirituality. Normally, our life is not so eventful, but sometimes there comes a U-turn in our life. In my life, also, there was a turning point. As Swami Vivekananda predicted in America, that return to the Vedas and compelled the scholars for returning to the reading of our Indian culture heartily and cordially. Indian geography, Indian society, Indian politics, Indian science, Indian commerce lies in Indian air, fire, soil, sky and water. It was the message, great message for all over the world, that India is the starter, beginner, initiator. Earlier readers, writers, speakers, listeners, all were compelling the people return to nature, return to childhood, but Swami Vivekananda's message was return to the Vedas. Our Vedas, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the holy scripture which has been written by all the religions, this has been written by the beginners, starters, initiators, and the persons, those who were omnipotent, omniscient, omnipresent, and they were original in their writings. So he enforced us to read such kind of superior literature which can brought the change mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, socially, nationally. Sorry for that inconvenience. I am a book lover. I have read many books, but the book that has impressed me the most is my Experiments with Truth, written by Mahatma Gandhi. It is Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography. My father gave this book to me as a gift on my birthday. This book is a true record of the events which took place in the life of Gandhiji. He has presented all the facts sincerely. This book brings to light how an ordinary man became a great personality. The problems and personal weaknesses he faced tell us the real journey of such a great man. I have learnt a lot from this book. First, we should follow the truth even if we have to pay a heavy price for it. Truth should be the pole star in our life. Frank confession of one's faults and feelings can lead one on the right track. I would like to present this book as a gift to any person who values books in the real sense. I suggest that this book should be read by all, the young and the old. Most of the youngsters are busy in pursuing their professional studies, so they are not very much interested in reading extra books. I have a timetable for myself. I get at least half an hour to read something extra. Usually the youngsters read their professional books, stories, novels and books based on adventure, but the old people are interested in reading religious books, moral stories, spiritual books and books based on the biographies of great prophets and great leaders. Here we are talking about the returning, reforming, rejoining, restoring, recollecting, reporting, resigning, returning, reappearing. So 1,000 words we can create by adding re as a prefix in the words. This re is really important for us. When a student sits in the competition, he is greatly needed re, because he has forgot his past. How much has he stored? How much has he experienced in his mind? It is the matter related to clearing the competitive exam. In the present time, he is discussing with the present facts, present numerical and theological facts he is reading, but how much he has consumed, how much his mind has stored and gained, it comes in the form of re. So re is really very important about what we talk, about what we discuss. I was a very good student and I expected to get at least 85% marks in class +2. I was very good student and I was also a sportsman. There were 2 games I selected: swimming, badminton, shooting, and apart from these I got 85% marks in 10th class. With practicing physical games, by being a good sportsman, in +2 I got 80% marks. I was the first student in arts who brought the highest marks for the name fame of our school. At that time I thought to become a doctor. What happened later? After the declaration of my objective, my uncle, who is a doctor, came to see my father, who was down with fever, My maternal uncle asked me what I aimed at becoming. When I told him about my first choice, he did not support my idea. My maternal uncle told me that these days medical profession is late starter. One has to wait up to the age of 30 to launch on an independent career. But on the other hand, one can easily start lucrative career